Hello friends, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Jerome Keys Music. So today I'm going to teach you something very special. I'll be teaching you nice worship chord you can use. Nice worship chord. They are very simple chord you can just use while playing your worship. Mainly this is for beginners though, but at least some experts also don't know this particular chord. So to be nice for both beginners and professionals. So just watch and learn. I'm playing on F sharp. The key I'm on is also on F sharp. And I'll be doing this breakdown on F sharp, but I'll be calling out the notes. So for those of us that is not familiar with F sharp, you can apply it to your own key. So this is my Do. So normally, the full chord for Do is Do Mi So. Normally, full chord of Do is Do Mi So. But some use So Do Mi as Do, which is another way of playing your Do. While some use Mi So Do as Do. While some play their Do this way also. So it's just different way you can apply, but I'll be teaching you this today. This one, you'll be using this as your Do today. Guys, if you want to play your Do, you play your Mi So Do, then Do. Play your Do this way. You can add your Mi here. Let me just sing something. I'll use this one as an example. This is an Igbo song. Ọ na-emetụ chi m n'obi, ihe banyere m ọ na-emetụ chi m n'obi, oke mmụọ ji maka m wee mee asịsị emere eme, oke mmụọ ji maka gị wee mee asịsị emere eme. Una ugo ije love mo, 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 una chi. So now, once you are playing now, iye banyere mo, you hold this audio. Once you your do and your mi so do mi, you can hold it this way. Iye banyere mo. Like this note I apply is just like a passing note. The note I apply now is just like a passing note. So you just real. Do ti ta. Do ti ta. You can use it in so many songs. So like if you want to go to your fa, that's when it's very nice for you to use this do ti ta. Once the next progression is to refer, so it's just like a passing note to your fa. So that is also how to play it. So once this one is going do ti ta, you move your left to your la. So this is your Do now. So this is my La. Look at the way I play my Ta here now. My hand is also on my Mi, Y, Ta, and Do. You can also hold this saw. Mi so ta, do. Mi so ta, do. You can just hold it this way. So now, once I play that one, if I want to go to my fa now, this is how I play my fa here now. Fa, la, do, re, fa. Normally it's supposed to be fa, la, do. But now I added fa, la, do, re, fa. As I'm using my 5 fingers to play Fa. So that is why some chord I play sound very cool and nice. You can hear it. So the Fa, Fa, La, Do, Re, Fa. Then on the left, you hold your Re. You can see it. On the left, you hold your Re. Do, Mi, So, Do, Mi. Then Fa, Fa, La, Do, Re, Fa. Then to go your So now, you go your Re, So, Ti, Re. Re, So, Ti, Re. Then if you want to go back to Do, you can just play something like this. Re, So, Ti, Re. Do, So, Fa. Do, Iye, Ba, Ne, Re, Mo. On, Me, Tu, Chi. And if you want to go to your So, you can add your Fi here. You can see? Once this hand is just on this chord this way, you can just play. Before going to your So, you add the passing chord. Just remove this one in your Fa and put a Fi. Then you go to So, Fa, Do, Ti, Ta, Mi, So, Fa. This one is Mi, Re, Di, Mi, Re, Mi, So, Fa. These are just simple chords you can be applying in your worship. Simple, nice chord you can be applying. So you just play. Let me start all over again. That is Mi, So, Do, Mi. Then your Fa. Fi, So, Re, So, Ti, Re, So, So. So, Fa, Do, Ti, Ta, Mi, Re, Mi, So, Fa, Mi. You can add this Mi now. This one is Mi. You hold your Mi here. Mi, So, Ta, Mi, So, Ta, Mi, So, Ta here. Hold your Mi, So, Ta. Then you go back to Do. Hope you are getting this lesson. Hope you are getting this lesson. You can apply this in so many songs, not only this song I'm singing. Let me just take one song. I never see you, Lord, disappointing me. You can see. I never see you, Lord, disappointing me. Your word is yes. Your word is amen. You can see. I never see you, Lord, disappointing me. So you can apply this in so many worship songs, not only the one that I sang first. So many. Let me just see if I can take one again. It's a great God. It's a great God. It's a great God. All I know. So you can apply it in so many. You can apply it in so many songs. Not only the one I sang first. So many worship. So you just have to learn. Just calm down and learn the chord. Once you learn the chord, learn the passing notes you can use. If you want to use, go to your Fa. Do, Ti, Ta. Then play your Fa. This chord I taught you. Then Fi. Go to your So. So, Fa, Do. Or if there's a song that you have to go to your Mi, just put So, Fa, Mi, So, Ta, Do, Ti, La. You can play your La this way. Mi, So, La, Do, Mi. Mi, So, La, Do, Mi. You can play your La this way. This is also La. Then you hold your La here. Mi, So, Ta, Mi, So, La. You can see. So this is a very simple way you can play your worship professionally. Very simple. So I just decided to teach you guys this today. So thanks for watching. Please, you guys should subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure you like this video and also comment. Comment, and God bless you. Thanks so much.